Hi, I just want to demonstrate how to use the microwave oven. So this one you can use both microwave and oven. By default, I put the microwave set inside. So when you first use this, you click open, and the system will use the oven. So in order to use microwave, just click this button, and you just use microwave. Yeah, but whenever you want to use the oven function, simply just take this glass plate out and use the grill. Yeah. And the system will choose the oven by default, and you just go ahead, use the program. So that's it, just these two buttons to switch between two functions. Thank you.